Hi, everybody, and welcome back to Storytime with Miss B. We are in our week of Three Little Pig stories. So I have a different one for you today. It's called The Three Little Gators. And if you can see by the barcode, it's in our school library. It is, I would say who it's written by, but the barcode went over the name of the author. Helen Kettman is our author, and Will Terry is our illustrator. So, The Three Little Gators. Once three little gators lived with their mama in an East Texas swamp. One day, Mama said, "It's time you young'uns set out on your way. Make sure you build houses strong enough to keep you safe from Big Bottom Boar. Tasty tender gators are his favorite snack." A boar, by the way, is a wild hog cousin. So the three little gators set off. Actually, I should say the boar is a wild animal who is a distant cousin to the pig. I'll get that right. Soon they came upon some rocks. "Aha," said the first gator, "a house of rocks would be safe from Big Bottom Boar." "Bad choice," said second gator. "Rocks are heavy and too much work." "Way too much work," said third gator. "Heavy or not, I'll build my house with rocks." First gator began rolling rocks into a pile. His brothers waved goodbye and walked on until... plonk! A stick landed on second gator's head. He looked up. In the tree above him, Hawk was building a nest. "Aha! I'll build a stick house. That will be easier." "Bad choice," said third gator. "It's still too much work." Third gator waved goodbye and walked on until... Swoosh! Third gator came to a river. He stopped to rest on the soft, damp sand along the riverbank. "Aha! A house of sand would be the easiest one to build," he said. He pushed the sand into a big pile and dug a tunnel. Then he made a door from branches. "Ha ha ha ha," little gator laughed. "Big Bottom Boar won't even know this is a house." And with that, he crawled in and fell asleep. After a while, third gator was awakened by a loud noise. Snurp. "Little gator, let me in! I smell tender gator skin!" Third gator trembled in his house, but he called back, "Go away, Big Bottom Boar! I'll never open up my door!" Do you think you know what's gonna happen? You got that prediction in your head? I do too. Let's find out. "Then I'll wiggle my rump with a bump, bump, bump and smash your house." Big Bottom Boar wiggled his bottom and bumped it against third gator's house. Sand flew everywhere. Third gator ran faster than a fox after a muskrat. He scrambled through the brambles to second gator's house. But it wasn't long before the two little gators heard a loud noise. "Little gators, let me in! I smell two tender gator skins. Chasing you has made me thinner. I need two little gators for my dinner." Two little gators shivered at the sound of Big Bottom Boar's raspy voice, but they answered, "Go away, Big Bottom Boar! We'll never open up the door." Bet you know what happens next. Then I'll wiggle my rump with a bump, bump, bump and smash your house, answered Big Bottom Boar. He wiggled his bottom and bumpity-bumped it against Second Gator's house. Sticks flew everywhere. Second Gator and Third Gator raced faster than snakes after a bullfrog. They rushed through the brush to First Gator's house. Do you remember what First Gator was building his house from? You're right, rocks. But it wasn't long before the three little gators heard a loud noise. Little gators, let me in! I smell 3 tender gator skins! Chasing you has made me thinner! I need 3 little gators for my dinner! The 3 little gators shook at the sound of Big Bottom Boar's terrible voice, but they called back, "We'll never open up the door! Go away, Big Bottom Boar!" Then I'll wiggle my rump with a bump, bump, bump and smash your house, answered Big Bottom Boar. He wiggled and bumped and waggled and thumped, but he could not smash First Gator's house. I'll get you yet, Big Bottom Boar snorted. He climbed on the roof and squeezed into the chimney. He grunted and wheezed and snorted and sneezed as he inched his way down. But the 3 little gators was ready for him. I'm going to show you that. Bad choice, called the gators. When Big Bottom Boar finally dropped out of the chimney, he landed right on the hot grate of First Gator's barbecue grill. Grill stripes burned into his big bottom, and Big Bottom Boar raced out of the house faster than a thunderbolt. Oh man, I thought we were getting barbecue here. Then Second Gator and Third Gator went outside and began piling up rocks. Good choice, said First Gator, and he helped them build strong houses. And Big Bottom Boar never bumped his big striped rump their way again. And I hope you enjoyed the 3 little gators. This is found in the nonfiction, in the, not the nonfiction section, let me correct myself, in a different section of the library. Most of it is nonfiction, but it does contain fairy tales and plays, known as the literature. It is under the 398s in the Dewey Decimal System, if you need to look for them. So, snip, snap, snout. Story time's all told out. Have a great day. See you later.